Hello everyone, my name is Pichanan and welcome to my presentation on AI for sustainable farming, the case of the eel in Australia. Before we get started, I would like to begin with the short video that show how AI is transforming agriculture. This video highlights the incredible potential of AI to reshape how we grow food and protect our environment. Let's take a look. That video gives us the glimpse how AI is revolutionizing farming, helping farmers make smarter, faster, and more sustainable decisions. So now let's go through the presentation. AI is increasingly used across industry to improve decision making and efficiency. The aim of this presentation is to reflect how AI is driving innovation and ethical transformation in agriculture. Using the use as a case study, I'm going to also discuss leadership, governance, and responsible AI practice that ensure technology remain both effective and fair technologies in agriculture, and the ethical considerations that come with digital innovation. Agriculture has always been uncertain. Weather patterns are becoming harder to predict due to climate change, leading to wasted water, fertilizer, and lost crops. Farmers often rely on experience rather than rely on data. That leads to wasted resources and financial losses. Around the world, AI is revolutionizing how food is produced. Farmers use AI powered tools to monitor soil health, optimize water and fertilizer use, and predict crop use more accurately. Drone and robotic now automate crop inspection and harvesting. According to markets, AI in agriculture is projected to reach nearly 5 billion US dollars by 2026. This technology not only boosts productivity but also support the United Nations goal of zero hunger by promoting climate resilience agriculture. As AI adoption grows, so do questions about data ownership, fairness, and inclusion, which we're going to see through the U example. Now let's look at the U, the Australian company. The U was founded in 2014 in Harvard with a mission to transform food and farming systems using data and AI. Their smart farming platform combine IoT sensors, cloud computing. These insights help farmers decide when to irrigate, spray, or harvest, reducing waste and increasing productivity. The U works closely with Microsoft Azure to process high frequency environmental data and collaborate with the CSIRO for scientific model validation. Today, the U partners with large agricultural businesses like Costa Group and smaller producers across Australia, providing them with mobile dashboard as predictive insight tailored to their crops and locations. This company represents how AI is not only changing how farming decisions are made, but also reshaping the structure of agricultural organizations, blending human experience with machine intelligence. The U Smart Farming System combine IoT sensor, cloud-based AI model, and user dashboard. Sensor gather real-time soil and weather data. AI algorithm predict microclimate change every 15 minutes and send farmers actionable recommendation when to irrigate, fertilize, and harvest. This predictive analytic help reduce waste and improve yield, enabling farmers to act before the weather shift. Automation is reshaping how farmers work. According to McKinsey, nearly 70% of routine agricultural decisions can now be automated using AI tools such as predictive analytics and sensor network. But automation doesn't mean replacing people, it's changing their roles. This is what we call the human in the loop system, where farmers remain active decision makers who interpret AI insights and make the final calls. Successful AI adoption depends on leadership. Ross Harvey, the CEO of the U, says AI must serve people and planet. Under her leadership, the U build trust with farmers by involving them directly in the design process. Through co-design workshop, farmers share their needs and help shape the tools they would later use. This transparent and inclusive approach demonstrate how ethical leadership drive responsible innovation. The U approach reflect wider global trend in agtech. Machine vision detect crop disease, early predictive analytic forecast yield, autonomous tractors reduce labor demand, and natural language chatbots now provide farm advice. This technology together created a connected farm ecosystem where data flow across every stage of production. The U focuses on predictive climate intelligence, one of the most valuable AI application for sustainable farming. To manage this technology responsibly, organizations need strong internal capability. The U invest the digital skill training for farmers, establish governance board to oversee data use and partners with CSIRO data to support research and innovation. They also enforce strict data quality and ethical standards. Building this kind of readiness ensure that technology enhances human expertise rather than replaces it. One major ethical question is who owns the data? The sensor and AI systems collect vast amount of information, but does it belong to the farmer or the company? The EU address this through farmer-centered consent agreement and transparent data policies. Clear ownership builds trust and prevents exploitation, especially for small producers who might otherwise lose control of their digital assets. AI supports environmental sustainability by reducing water and chemical usage, lowering emission, and improving soil health. The EU report that farm using its system achieve up to 20% water saving. However, advanced AI systems can be expensive, limiting asset for smaller farms. To address this, the EU collaborate with cooperative to share resources, make AI adoption more affordable and inclusive. This approach ensures that both economic and environmental benefits are distributed fairly. As researcher Michael Leff and Kutan note, ethical AI governance starts with ethical leadership. Leaders must embed human value like empathy, accountability, and transparency into their system. Ross Harvey approach demonstrates that ethical leadership isn't just about adopting AI. It's about guiding it with integrity. The success of the EU shows that trust and ethics are the real foundation of digital transformation. Looking ahead, the future of agriculture will become even more data driven. We will see the integration of generative AI for advisory service, real time global data sharing, and fully connected sustainable farms by 2020, 2030. But scaling these technologies ethically, keeping them transparent, affordable, and inclusive will remain the biggest challenge for the next generation of leaders. To conclude, AI is revolutionizing how we grow food and manage resources. The EU shows that when technology is guided by strong ethical leadership, it can enhance both efficiency and sustainability. Efficiency plus ethic equals trust, and trust is the foundation of responsible AI. And thank you for listening. And these are the reference list.